Good morning, Poland. Today we are going to Szczecin from Poznań, and we just stopped into one restaurant with the crocodile inside somewhere, I don't know where, but in the state of the Szczecin already, west-north Poland. This is like a 300-kilometer trip. Never been into Szczecin actually, so it's something very cool and very different today. And then of course on today's video I will show you exclusively only today Szczecin city in western Poland. Inside of the restaurant here next to the main road, the nice tropical vibes and everything, and some important people were here. I don't know who is that. That's the singer or something. Either way, there is the crocodile. Is the real crocodile inside the restaurant. This is something what even in Australia I never seen. But he's here, he's sleeping. He's like a real. Here we go. Real crocodile in the restaurant. He have a specially warm tropical room and everything. But he's just resting. Better not knock the door, because if he gonna break this one, I will be his breakfast. But it's cool. It's real crocodile in the restaurant. Somebody got the idea. He's actually, warming up because the alarms and everything. And that's the like a restaurant next to the highway actually. Alright, and then we arrived to the Szczecin city. To be honest, for me, I'm the very first time in Szczecin. Never been in Szczecin before, so I just want to show you a little bit around. Just I have a limited time to show you, but I'm still gonna show you. Szczecin was famous for the very huge harbor, or the port. This is actually right now. We are walking around, and also there is the castle, a little bit of the town. Let's see what I can show you today. I'm not sure when next time I'm gonna be in Szczecin, but Szczecin for everybody who are interested about seeing the city again. Actually for the first time on this channel, but well, in case if you are interested about the Szczecin itself. So there are some restaurants, some boats, and then some more restaurants. Most of them they are closed, unfortunately. In general, it's off season, and the castle is in the background actually, like this one. Totally no traffic jams. It's like a pretty quiet somehow in here in Szczecin. This is like a walkway next to the water. Ladies and gentlemen, for the very first time on this channel, welcome from Szczecin in Poland, in western Poland. Well, today's video is all about the Szczecin. So we arrived to the Wały Chrobrego, which is the historical landmark here, and the castle also in the background here in Szczecin, overlooking the Oder River. This one is actually a little bit similar to the fountain in Italy, in the Rome, but there's no water going on recently, not sure why. Going up there and see the landscape of the Szczecin. Just have to go up a little bit, few stairs. But it should be nice. This is like the most popular attraction here in Szczecin. From the top you can see the promenade itself and the Oder River, and the other continuation of the harbor here in Szczecin, and the Oder River, of course. So overall, that's how does it look like here. Very nice landscape actually. It's called promenade. There's the ship. Oder River is very important, and is in Poland. Is the natural border between Poland and Germany. So in the background, literally, is Germany already. There's some museums like this one. Very nice architecture actually. That's without any doubts. Little bit different. Each city has a little bit different architecture, and actually pretty decent looking castle in the background. And this is where we came from the bottom. That's how does it look like. Actually, nice place. Very cool to be here for the very first time. So the museum is over there. Little bit vibe, like it feels like I'm in the Canada actually, looking for these buildings a little bit. But this one is definitely more into Polish and German vibe. Polish flag, and this is actually recently City Hall in the Zachodniopomorskie, which is the western northern Poland state of Szczecin. So this is the recently City Hall, and actually pretty cool City Hall. You have a place where you can have a coffee from the start, some benches. You can overlooking the Oder River, and if you need to do something, you can always go to the government building here, which is cool. Actually, nice place, I have to say. And this is like a little walkway. So that's a little bit of the traffic situation. Also wanted to show you there is the ship actually moving somewhere to the harbor in the background. Well, we were up there like going back, I'm gonna move to the different location. Also very interesting thing is Szczecin for some reason have no old town or the market square like other cities in Poland have it. Not sure why. Should read probably about this one, but this is it. Now we are in the mall here in the Szczecin, and here we go, nearly like in Singapore, something like that, something like Changi Airport, but something different. I show you like this one from the perspective. This is like a clepsydra or something, fountain. Well, looking for coffee, so probably Starbucks or Costa or something like this will do. Yeah, this one is like a little bit Singapore Bangkok thing, but just very small, but still. Yeah, like this one, cool. Coffee time, coffee break, and dessert time, dessert break. My friend have a tropical island. There are some ladies enjoying their beverage here. My friend, yes, yo, what's up? Over. And we're gonna enjoy, the ladies enjoying their beer, because we are in Poland. Szczecin is a little bit different. Oh, there is the man also enjoying the beer on the street. It's close to the Germany, maybe that's why, a little bit different. This is how does it look like actually Szczecin, but a little bit of memory of the old Poland, like I could say, something like that. All right, that's a nice dessert actually, ice cream. And that was very short trip to Szczecin. I'm in Poznań, back to my apartment. Generally, Szczecin is interesting city. However, after longer consideration, you can feel a little bit to compare to, let's say, Wrocław or Poznań, what I filmed recently, and a lot actually, or Warsaw or Gdańsk or any other major city. As Szczecin is a little bit more into the vibe, the feeling of the old Poland. So if you are curious how does it look like, it's actually right now, it used to look like back into early 2000, up to early 2000, and especially in late 90s, with the little bit of the scent of the modern Poland, but not like other cities what I previously showed you, but like really old Poland. Definitely Szczecin is the place to be. It's place to visit because you can feel totally different old vibe. Also at the same time, it's just like bordering city with the Germany, so you can find like those elderly ladies who are just having beer and French fries and just eating and chilling and enjoying, drinking and enjoying. This is something what I never saw actually in the other cities in Poland, not at that age. However, I've been in Germany also many times and I saw something like that. So also probably I have some German viewers who can confirm that. So, well, of course, it's also Germany influenced a little bit. You can find a lot of menus and stuff in the restaurants translated into English and German for some reason. Then there is not so many tourists. Regarding the old town, there is no market square, and the old town, it is literally the new old market square, which was built just like 15-20 years ago, just because they never had it, so they built it. But it's technically new. And yeah, this is just, I had the opportunity today to go to Szczecin, which is around 300 kilometers back from Poznań. So 600 kilometers round trip, easily to make it in one day. So, well, that's it. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what do you think about the Szczecin, and I will see you on next video as soon as possible. See ya. Take care.